objectives. At the end of the lecture, you will be able to explain the concepts of present value, explain the difference between uneven cash flows and annuities, determine the types of present value analysis, apply the time value of money techniques on financial transactions. Lecture outline. We will focus on present value analysis. Under present value analysis, we'll cover single sum analysis, multi-year cash flows. Under multi-year cash flow, it will be uneven cash flows, ordinary annuity, and annuity due. Present value analysis is the process of determining the value today of a future sum. This process involves discounting of cash flow and the inverse of compounding of cash flows. We know we have present value and future value. We know that the present value compound, okay, and we'll get the future value, so that we'll get the future value. If it's the other way around, we will find the present value, we discount the future value to find the present value. Discounting of cash flow. The deviation of the present value formula is, we know the future value formula is this. What I need to do is to move the 1 plus k over, and or we can write it in terms of the other way is the table format. So we take note, okay, there are two ways to find the answer. One is the formula. Okay, one is the 1 plus k formula. The other one is the table format method. So for here, we refers to table PVIF table. Types of present value analysis. We have single sum and multi-year. Under multi-year, we have uneven cash flows and annuities. Single sum. The determination of the present value of a single future cash flow. This is the formula for the table. Take note, the above equation could be used to calculate any other variables as long as there are 3 other variables are given. As long as the 3 other variables are given. So basically there are 4 variables. You have the 3 known variables, you can find the 4th unknown one. Illustration 7. You are considering an investment that gives you a final sum of $1,000 in 5 years' time. You want 8% annual compounding rate of return on your money for the period of 5 years. What is the maximum price would you pay for the investment today? Take note, investment today. So this is the timeline we've drawn for you. Take note, this time around we're finding present value, PV. So we'll find PV. Look at the timeline again. Okay. So we are using the table format here. We know the figures, we substitute figures in. K is 8% and N is 5. Okay, we refer to the PVIF table. Please make sure you get the correct table. Next, we'll find the answer for this. We are given K and N. The intersection is the answer. Substitute this answer from the table into the equation, and we find the answer of 681.